Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a text box to your whiteboard on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, go to the whiteboards section and select a template from the all whiteboard section and tap on use template in the upper right corner of this box. Then you should wait a few seconds till it loads, and here you can see your template. So if you want to add a text box, you should tap on this T button on the left side, text, and add your text box, and here you can type in your text. As you can see, you can make it bold, you can italicize it, you can underline or strike through it, you can change the color of the text, the font size, the alignment, and as you can also add the link to it. You can add bullet points, you can order it by numbers, and you can also clear the style by tapping on this eraser button, and if you tap on the more button you can use these features as well. So that's how you can add the text box, and feel free to change its position within the whiteboard. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.